Thanks, Taylor. New at 10, COVID cases in North Alabama's largest county are on the rise.
New data from the U.S. COVID tracker shows Madison County has the highest number of COVID cases in the state, despite having the most people vaccinated and boosted.
WAAY 31's Maddie McCaffrey is live outside Huntsville Hospital now. And Maddie, you spoke with a healthcare worker about the uptick in cases.
Yeah, one healthcare professional tells me that traveling ahead of the holidays could be playing a part in this case increase. That's even with 80% of people in Madison County rolling up their sleeves for at least one dose of the COVID vaccine. Healthcare workers in Madison County are seeing the highest amount of COVID cases in any Alabama county. Nurse practitioner Haven Bralsma says right now a proxy urgent care is seeing cases of COVID, flu, and RSV.
Since 2020, it's went away, then it's come back, but it still has never left. So we're still seeing, on some days we can see up to 3 to 4 cases, up to 15 to 20 cases. We're also seeing a lot of RSV, flu, and strep right now too. A lot of patients are vaccinated. Some have only gotten their first 2 injections. They haven't got the booster, but we're still seeing some cases of patients getting COVID, but the symptoms are less likely severe.
Bralsma says some patients come in with allergy symptoms like itchiness but end up testing positive for COVID. Flu season is also underway, so proxy urgent care uses one test that checks for both COVID and the flu.
You are still seeing the main thing of sore throat, and some patients do have had conjunctivitis, not just like a fever, my taste and smell is gone. There is some kind of different type of symptoms that people don't think is COVID. Some patients are coming in thinking it's allergies, and we're really trying to recommend them to get tested because we are seeing a lot of positive cases with different types of symptoms.
She says luckily most of the urgent care's patients who are vaccinated are not dealing with severe symptoms, but says if you have COVID, it's important to stay alert if you experience a high fever or serious respiratory problems. And I spoke to some people in the community to see if they're concerned about the rise in COVID cases. A couple people told me they were not, but one person who works at Huntsville Hospital says seeing more patients come in with COVID concerns her, especially with holiday travel plans right around the corner. Reporting live in Huntsville with coverage you can count on, Maddie McCaffrey, WAAY 31 News.